Hey guys, welcome to my garage. This is a new series I hope to start. If you know anything about me, I have 6 kids. A lovely wife, by the way. And I'm tired of buying stuff. I've got 2 colleges I'm paying for right now. I'm just tired of buying stuff. So this series, I'm going to try to fix everything in my house that breaks, hopefully over the next year or two. So I'm going to make a series called Can We Fix It? Join me. Hopefully we'll learn something together. Put all these up on YouTube. See how it goes. Thanks. Hey guys, here we have a fan from my daughter's room. It doesn't run. Let's see if we can fix it. So first, let's start by getting the cover off. And it doesn't look like you need any tools. You just got to go through those clips and pop those clips straight up. I'll do that. I'll need 2 hands, so I'll do that. Okay, the first thing I think we're going to do is we need to vacuum this up and get all that dust out. So, noise alert. Okay, I got some of the dust vacuumed off. I think I'm gonna take that propeller off and clean it just because, hey, I got it apart, might as well do it. So there's a little knob right here. Looks like we just turn that. Oh, it's reverse threads. So you gotta turn it righty-loosey on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that, pull that off. I'm going to take this and clean it off. But also, let me get you closer. Inside there is a lot of junk. Looks like just dust and general nastiness. So I'm going to spend a little more time cleaning that up since we have it apart. Okay, next I'm going to take this back cover off by loosening up this piece so I can get in and take a closer look at the motor. Still some dirt in there. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum that out. Okay, next I'm going to take this heavy duty silicone and I'm going to try to spray it in here, see if we can get this thing moving better again. Sorry, there's probably some noises from the kids in there. Maybe they'll be a little less noisy and happier if I can get this thing running. Alright, let's turn it on and see what happens. Oh, looky there. Let me stop that from turning. That's medium. That's high. So, looks like this might do it. I'm going to go ahead and spray some more in here. Try to get in behind a little bit better, like I did earlier. It helps to have this little nozzle. Let some get back inside there. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Still working. Alright, let's put it back together. See what happens now that it's all cleaned up. Okay, first I'm going to put the back cover back on, and if you'll notice, in case you get yours off and don't see it, there's a couple of slots here that fit in these, so make sure you have that lined up. Spin this piece back on, tighten that up, Okay, that's good and tight. Now the propeller is next. I'm just gonna double check my cleaning. It's not real clean, but it is much better than what it was. Get the inside clean. There's a lot of dust in there. I probably, you know, if you want to avoid your fan failing you, and if you're watching this video, it's probably too late, but probably a good idea to take it apart and clean it. This was pretty easy to take apart. Now, also, this has this pin inside the shaft of the motor. There's also a slot where this lines up for that pin. So you may not see that real well, but I'm going to line that up, and that's lined up and in place. Then I'm going to turn this on lefty-tighty since this is reverse threads. So let's turn that one, and then let's go ahead and put the cover back on. That's kind of the telltale test. You get the cover back on, it'll stop working. So let's see what happens. So here I've got to slide it in over here in this piece, line it up, and then just basically push all of these down. There we go. Alright, they're all pushed down. So let's see what happens. There's low. There's medium. And there's high. I think that did it. So we're able to get it running. Like and subscribe. Check out my time lapses if you're a YouTuber. Those are Creative Commons. You guys feel free to download those. Use them as transitions in your video. I think that's it. Revived. I'll probably do just a little more cleaning before I take it back upstairs in my daughter's room. But hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.